Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have my first advent calendar unboxing for 2022. I just received this advent calendar today. It's by Maybelline New York and is the Happy Holiday Advent Calendar. Now this advent calendar retails for 49 euros. It's right now available in Europe in some of the German stores, and they do also have two more variations. So this is the middle price range, is 49 euros. Inside we have 24 items, 17 of them are full size, 4 are minis, and also they are saying you have 3 surprises. So I'm very excited to unbox it with you on my channel because I never had a Maybelline Advent Calendar. And together with this I also bought the Essence one, which you are going to see in some of my upcoming videos. And I have L'Oreal, I have even from other brands, which I'm very excited to share with you. So if you are enjoying this kind of videos, makeup tutorials, advent calendar unboxings and more, just stay tuned, subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you are not going to lose any of my upcoming videos. I do want to apologize for my not in very good shape voice. I was ill during weekend and I'm struggling with a cough and running nose. So yeah, all those good things that are coming together with changing of seasons. First, let me show you the absolute beautiful packaging. It's quite huge, as you can tell. From the picture I thought it's smaller. It opens up like this. And here we have the little drawer. So first, look at this. I don't know if the camera it's able to pick everything. So here we have Happy Holidays from Maybelline New York, and you have some trees. So I love the art behind creating of this advent calendar. So I'm going to set it aside. This is the place where I'm unboxing my advent calendars. I'm going to tilt a bit the camera so all the numbers will be captured on the frame, and then I'm going to pull the products one by one. Sorry, here I have a mirror, so you are going to see my back. Yes, I hope it's not disturbing you too much. Alright, starting with day number 1, which is a small one. I think a cuticle pusher is the best tool for opening advent calendars. And we got a full-size product. So our first full-size product is a Color Tattoo 24-hour in the shade On and On Bronze, and it's indeed a very beautiful bronzy shade. Day number 2. On day number 2 we have a travel size of the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, which I like. I have finished one of these and I thought it's a good mascara. It was giving length and definition, and also that didn't smudge on my under eye area. Day number 3, something bigger. Ooh, day number 3. Yeah, so this is a Face Studio Prime with hyaluronic acid, and you have a tube. Day number 4. It's something made in China. What is this? So I suppose it's one of the surprise items. Oh yeah, it's a buffer. I recently got into gel nails. You are going to see in my upcoming videos that I'm going to show you a collaboration with a nail company. So I need buffing to help me remove the gel manicure. So this is very handy because I was looking forward to order something like this. Day number 5. I was checking if I'm recording. Here we have a gel nail polish. Fast gel nail polish. I never tried this one. Maybe I'm going to try it before putting my gels on. And it's a beautiful red, very, very suitable for holidays. Day number 6. Oh, I pulled it too hard. But it's between the advent calendar and my nails, so you can understand my concern. Oh, finally, so this is it's a matte lipstick. Actually, I don't have this one. The shade is absolutely gorgeous. I'm happy about this advent calendar so far, and we are only at the day number 6. So day number 6, a full size lipstick. Day number 7, which is down here. Here we have a big size of a Seal the Mask Soft Makeup Remover Fresh Lotion. Okay, so I'm very surprised about this. This is a very generous size. Usually you don't get so much in an advent calendar. Day number 8, it's a tattoo liner in black. I think I'm going to keep this sealed because I have plenty of black liners. This is a travel size and I'm going to pass this along. Day number 9 is over here. Woohoo! I wanted this. I haven't seen it around. Okay, the only complaint with this type of advent calendar is that some of the products are very difficult to take out, but at least they are not glued. So this is a Cheek Heat Super Gel Cream Blush in the shade Rose Flash, shade number 20. So it's a beautiful, beautiful blushy shade. On day number 10 now, we have a Super Stay Forever Strong 7 Days. I'm not sure if this is a base coat or a top coat, but I remember having this line from Maybelline and being a very good and long-lasting nail polish line. So this is, I think, their premium line, or it was, I'm not sure. Day number 11 now. The Colossal Go Extreme Mascara. Now I'm lying, I had one of these Colossal mascara years ago and I wasn't a very big fan. Oh, look at the wand, it's so chubby. Okay, and doesn't have any smell, which is always good. So I'm going to try it soon and let you know what I think about it. Maybe I'm going to do a full face of makeup using some of those products, but bear with me because I have a lot of unboxings and other stuff to come up with. Day number 12, it's a beautiful lip liner, which I absolutely love the formula and works perfectly with this lipstick. Now I'm going to swatch it. This is in the shade Dusty Rose, and I have another one from this range which I love it. It's some of my most favorite formula, very similar in creaminess with the one from BK Beauty, just as an FYI. Now on to day number 13. Okay, I think this is one of the other surprise. So this is, oh, there are some nail stickers, so you can place this on your manicure, even on this one. And if you do so, if you apply some stickers, you can add a layer of top coat to seal in the actual design. On day number 14, we have another mascara. Oh, this is my most favorite mascara from Maybelline. This is also travel size, but it's the Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. I'm going to show you the full size I have. I think I have it with me, just to see the wand. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save this for vacation, maybe for next year, because I want to have a reliable mascara with me. Day number 15, it's here. Ooh, baby, we have a nail polish from the same line, from the Super Stay Forever Strong 7 Days. This is a very good nail polish. I remember in the previous years they were putting the color drama or so, and that line was never lasting on my nails, but I still have a few of those. I decided this year I'm going to skip an advent calendar nail polish because I have plenty of nail polishes and I'm not reaching so much for nail polish. I'm thinking on doing gels and other type of things. So now on to the day number 16, and we have another lip liner. This is a sharpenable one. This is from the Color Sensational range in the shade Sweet Pink. It's a nice pink shade. So this is this as a comparison. Day number 17, I suppose it's a mascara from what it looks like. No, this is from the Super Stay range. Those are also really good. They do last a lot. But the shade is similar with the one that I've showed you previously, so I'm going to swatch it beside. Slight more dark. And I also love the tip, and here you have a sharpener, so you can all the time have your precise tip if you want your pointy lip liner. And it's a full size, of course. Day number 18 now. It's a travel size of the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is a foundation primer. Very cute. Day number 19. Seems to be another surprise, and is by Invisibubble. Those are the traceless hair clips. Oh, okay, so they are like a bobby pins, but they are clear. Day number 20. It's another gel polish. Very beautiful nude shade. This is Bit of Blush number 4. Day number 21 now. And here we have a Liner Fine Expressional Kajal in the shade Black. I suppose, no, this is also sharpenable, so I don't see the point to have a full-size black liner and a travel size black liner. So yeah, there is that, but it's a full size at least. On day number 22, it's a small square here, so I suppose it's another tattoo or something. Oh yeah. Oh, and this is black. You can use it as a liner if you want. I think this is working, or maybe it's liner. Day number 23. So this is more like a charcoal. It's not black, but, or maybe it's green. The shade is called Deep Teal. And the day number 24, the last day, it's something big. I judge it can be a full-size mascara. So this is a full size of this Lash Sensational Luscious with Oil Blend. Now I had this mascara, it's from the same Sensational range, but I thought it is a bit of a pain to remove it from my lashes, so I'm not going to open this because I don't think that I'm going to try. So maybe I will give it to someone else who will enjoy more than I do having this mascara. But yeah, you guys, there we have it. This is the Maybelline Advent Calendar of 2022. What do you think, you guys? I think overall we got a lot of products and we have a great diversity. The only that I can say, and I already mentioned, is the fact that we got a travel size black liner and a full-size black liner. So I think one of those colors could have been slightly different. We could have a brown or a copper or something different, but other than that, this advent calendar, it's a winner for 49 euros, sorry. You cannot go wrong. And I'm giving a rating of 9 out of 10 because of that, because of the 2 black liners, but the sizes are amazing. I love that we have a lot of full sizes, and even the filler items, I feel that they are useful. We don't get a mirror or some things which are like filler items. They are items that are useful. So yeah, also for the price, you cannot beat 49 euros. You cannot beat for this advent calendar. But now I'd love to hear your feedback in my comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more unboxing and makeup tutorials, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Till then, don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Have a beautiful, blessed rest of the day, guys. Bye bye!